Now we're gonna test your sound making skills, and the audience is gonna choose who makes the best fox sound. Okay?
Huh? What?
Yeah. So, have you guys heard foxes before? Like foxes in the street?
Yeah.
They're very common here in England. And I have a sound for you. It's a fox mating call. And you guys will take a turn each in making a fox mating call. And the audience will choose who did it best. Okay? Make sense?
But what if the foxes come for us?
Are you ready to hear the sound you're gonna make?
Time to be a fox stud muffin.
Okay, here is the sound.
Oh god. I'm not gonna be able to do
How? I need to not wake my sister up. This is
we
difficult.
will go from left to right, starting with Airi. Please give us your best fox mating call.
Oh no, okay.
You can ask if you want to hear the sound again, if needed, and yeah, stage is yours.
Alright, let me hear that again.
Okay,
Give it another
here
spin.
it is.
That sounds like a monkey. Are you sure it's not a
it's a
chimpanzee?
British fox. It's a British fox. Yeah, can confirm.
Oh gosh, I could do this if I was playing a horror game.
Yes, actually.
That sounds pretty close to my actual scream. I know. Wait, I don't know.
You got this.
The pressure. No. They're like, That sounds like a bird, but that's my best shot.
Kawaii. Clip it, guys. Clip it and ship it.
That was Aidi's mating call, everyone.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yatta. Next is Speaker's fox mating call. Yeah.
I don't want to do a mating call.
Channel your inner fox.
Okay. 있고요.
That was amazing.
What the heck? That was so
Wow.
What the heck? How did you do that?
Wow.
I don't know.
That was really
That sounded painful.
I'm impressed.
Oh my gosh.
That was actually amazing.
Yeah, what the heck?
Well, Mostly, you gotta follow that up. Good
What?
luck.
Dude, I can't even yell. I can't even yell.
Yeah, that when you told me that you had to be quiet, I was like,
Yeah. It's like, oh well, we have to do a blood curdling scream a couple times to win. So, it sucks to be you, Mose.
Just like if she asks, like, you know, who make that noise, just be like, it's a fox, mating call. Like
we have had them in the back here. They don't sound like that though. They have American accents. They sound a little different.
I see. They're not doing America.
Oh
You
god,
need
I
to
have
do
to
this
figure
one.
out. I could do it easy if I could scream, but I can't scream. What do I do?
Good luck.
Play it again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's like, I can't do it! I sound like a velociraptor! I sound like a like that!
That's amazing. That was actually spectacular. Oh my goodness. Oh
That's
my
the best I'm trying to be quiet, so that's the best I can do with being quiet.
Who did the best fox noise? That was actually insanely good. Wait, what?
Was it?
How was that so accurate?
That was really
What do you mean?
It was really good.
I mean, look at me.
Are you a fox?
Maybe. Who knows? I'm whatever your little heart desires.
But you need a fluff for your tail. your tail's a bit too slim. Yeah.
Wow, way to fluffy shame.
Yeah. Get fluffy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did not back down. But yeah,